Have you ever wondered
I wonder.
what MrBeast, PewDiePie, Logan Paul, and some of the other most popular YouTubers drive and what they paid? Well, stick with us today because we are about to find out.
Let's go!
Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star, the renowned YouTuber and makeup mogul, boasts an extravagant car collection that highlights his love for luxury and style. His fleet includes a custom pink McLaren 765 LT valued at $382,500, featuring a twin-turbocharged V8 engine.
Woo!
He also owns a pink McLaren 570S, his first McLaren, worth $195,000.
Wow.
Another gem is the 2018 McLaren Senna, the most expensive in his collection at $1.5 million, with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering 789 horsepower. Jeffree's collection also features a unique lemon yellow Rolls-Royce Dawn, priced at $356,000, and a pink Lamborghini Huracan valued at $213,104. He owns multiple Rolls-Royce Cullens, including a highly customized pink one and a chocolate brown one, each worth around $650,000 and $430,000 respectively.
What? But wait, there's more.
Additionally, he has a pink Aston Martin Vantage at $190,000, a Toyota Supra widebody, a 1965 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3, a Rolls-Royce Wraith, an Audi R8, a BMW i8 Roadster, a Lamborghini Urus, and a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Jeffree's cars are not just high performance, but are also customized to reflect his distinctive style. In total, Jeffree's car collection is valued at $5,064,604.
God damn.
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
Making him the top dog on this list by miles. Well done, sir. Well done. David Dobrik. David Dobrik, the popular YouTuber renowned for his vlog squad videos and high-energy stunts, boasts an impressive car collection that highlights his taste for luxury and performance. His collection features a Tesla Model X, known for its advanced technology and impressive performance, reflecting his support for Tesla and its innovations. He also owns a Ferrari 458 Spider, valued at around $270,000, which features a V8 engine and a top speed of 200 miles per hour, showcasing his love for fast cars. Another high-performance vehicle in his garage is the Lamborghini Huracan Spider. For a blend of style and off-road capability, Dobrik has a Mercedes G-Wagon and a Ford Bronco. His collection also includes a Ford Mustang convertible, adding a touch of classic American muscle, and a Jeep Wrangler, one of his earliest purchases that holds sentimental value and is known for its rugged terrain handling. These vehicles are often showcased in his vlogs, where he shares his adventurous and luxurious lifestyle with millions of followers. Logan Paul. Logan Paul has an impressive and varied car collection that reflects his larger-than-life personality and taste for luxury and performance vehicles. His collection includes a Lamborghini Huracan Performante, known for its exceptional speed and handling. He also owns a Mercedes-Benz G 554x4 squared, a rugged and luxurious SUV, and a Mercedes AMG G63, both of which are well suited for off-road and urban driving. Adding to his unique collection, Logan drives a Polaris Slingshot, a three-wheeled vehicle that offers an exhilarating open-air driving experience. He also has a Ford Focus RS, a high-performance hatchback known for its agility and speed. For more practical needs, he owns a Mercedes Maverick Sprinter van, which is highly customized for comfort and convenience with features like a coffee machine and PlayStation. The total value of these cars is approximately $879,760.
Woo!
This eclectic mix of vehicles showcases Logan Paul's love for both high-performance cars and versatile, customized rides that cater to his adventurous and dynamic lifestyle. KSI. KSI, also known as Williams JJ Olatunji, is a renowned British YouTuber, musician and boxer who has an impressive car collection that reflects his success and taste for luxury. His garage includes a Lamborghini Aventador, valued at $650,000, known for its 6.5-liter V12 engine and top speed of 217 miles per hour. He also owns a Rolls-Royce Wraith, priced at over $364,000, featuring a 6.6-liter V12 engine that combines opulent comfort with high performance. Adding versatility to his collection, KSI has a Porsche Cayenne, a powerful SUV worth around $100,000, and a sporty Porsche 718 Boxster, valued at approximately $92,000. His collection also includes a Mercedes G63 AMG, an SUV known for its off-road capabilities and luxury, priced at about $156,900, and a Mercedes Maybach, offering high levels of comfort and performance at $200,000. All of these luxury cars are estimated to be worth $1,562,900.
That's what I'm talking about. Jeez.
Alan Walker. Alan Walker, the renowned DJ and music producer, has an impressive car collection that highlights his taste for luxury and performance vehicles. His collection includes a Bugatti Veyron, one of the most expensive and powerful cars in his garage, valued at $1.8 million.
Oh my god, what is that?
This supercar is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, producing over 1,200 horsepower. Damn. He also owns a Lamborghini Huracan, priced at $240,000, which features a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine, generating 610 horsepower. In addition to these high-performance cars, Walker has an Audi R8 Spider, valued at $209,000. His collection also includes a Ferrari 488 GTB, worth $262,800.
God damn.
For more practical needs, Walker drives a BMW X5, an SUV priced at $98,990.
Wow.
Known for its combination of luxury and utility. Lastly, his collection includes a dune buggy, valued at $12,000, which is perfect for off-road adventures. Markiplier. Markiplier, also known as Mark Fischbach, boasts an impressive car collection that reflects his diverse tastes and success as a top YouTuber. His collection includes the high-performance Ford GT, valued at around $500,000, which features a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine.
Wow.
Producing 647 horsepower and 550 pounds per foot of torque. He also owns a Ferrari 488 GTB, priced at approximately $284,000, with a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 661 horsepower and 561 pounds per foot of torque, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and a top speed of 205 miles per hour.
Wow.
Markiplier's eco-friendly Tesla Model S costs around $90,000. This car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour.
But wait, there's more.
For off-road adventures, he drives a Jeep Wrangler, valued at about $35,000.
Holy crap, that's a lot of money.
These vehicles highlight Markiplier's preference
Damn, son.
for a blend of high-performance supercars and practical, versatile SUVs, perfectly aligning with his dynamic lifestyle and successful career. Evan Fong. Evan Fong, better known as VanossGaming, has a notable car collection that reflects his success and preference for luxury vehicles. His collection includes a BMW i8 Coupe, valued at approximately $149,000, which features a 1.5-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine combined with an electric motor, delivering 228 horsepower and 236 pounds of torque. This hybrid sports car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds and has a top speed of over 155 miles per hour. Additionally, he owns a BMW 7 Series, priced around $87,000. His collection also includes a BMW 5 Series, valued at $52,000. In addition to these BMW models, Evan Fong also owned a Jeep Wrangler, known for its off-road capabilities and rugged design. This vehicle complements his collection by adding versatility and practical functionality. Dude Perfect. This one is unique because unlike others on our list, this is a team of 5. The members of Dude Perfect, known for their extraordinary trick shots and entertaining videos, have a varied collection of vehicles that reflect their dynamic and adventurous lifestyles. Here's a detailed look at some of the cars associated with each member.
Let's go.
Tyler Toney, often considered the leader of Dude Perfect, is known for his rugged and adventurous spirit. He drives a Ford F-150 Raptor, which is a high-performance off-road truck. The Raptor is equipped with a powerful engine, advanced suspension systems, and robust off-road capabilities, making it ideal for the kind of stunts and outdoor activities that Dude Perfect is famous for. Cody Jones is known for his laid-back and easygoing personality. He drives a Tesla Model X, which is a luxury electric SUV known for its impressive range, fast acceleration, and advanced autopilot capabilities. The Model X reflects Cody's appreciation for cutting-edge technology and environmental sustainability. Garrett Hilbert, often referred to as the Purple Hoser, drives a Chevrolet Silverado. This full-size pickup truck is known for its durability, towing capacity, and powerful performance, making it suitable for both daily driving and the demanding activities featured in Dude Perfect videos. The twins Kobe and Corey Cotton have a penchant for adventure and are often seen with vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler is an iconic off-road SUV known for its rugged build, off-road prowess, and customizable features. This vehicle is ideal for the twins' love of outdoor activities and adventurous filming locations. Each of these vehicles reflects the individual personalities and preferences of the Dude Perfect members, while also supporting the practical needs of their filming activities. PewDiePie, also known as Felix Kjellberg. PewDiePie has an impressive and eclectic car collection that reflects both practicality and luxury. His latest addition is a sleek black 2022 Tesla Model Y Performance, valued at approximately $64,000, known for its dual motors and long-range capabilities. Among his more traditional cars is the Volvo XC90.
Let's go.
A luxurious SUV that offers advanced technology and comfort. PewDiePie also enjoys driving his mini convertible, a fun and sporty car he bought in 2015, valued at approximately $30,000. Adding a touch of humor to his collection, he owns a Nissan Micra,
Let's go.
which he showcased as a practical yet understated vehicle, priced around $16,000. For high-performance enthusiasts, his garage includes a Porsche 911,
Let's go.
valued at $120,000, and a Ferrari 488 GTB, known for their speed and luxurious features, priced at around $280,000. This diverse collection highlights PewDiePie's varied tastes and lifestyle. MrBeast. MrBeast, also known as Jimmy Donaldson, is one of the most famed YouTubers and philanthropists, boasting an enviable car collection that reflects his diverse tastes and success. His fleet includes the Lamborghini Huracan Spider, valued at around $260,000, powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine that delivers 602 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. He also owns the Tesla Model S, a high-performance electric vehicle with dual motors producing 765 horsepower, capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds, valued at approximately $90,000. His BMW i8 Coupe, priced at $150,000, is a hybrid sports car featuring a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and an electric motor, offering a futuristic and eco-friendly ride. For off-road adventures, MrBeast has the Mercedes G63 AMG, a luxury SUV with a twin-turbo V8 engine, producing 577 horsepower and valued at $156,900. His collection also includes the Nissan Armada, a practical and spacious SUV powered by a 5.6-liter V8 engine with 400 horsepower, priced around $65,000. Recently, he added a custom-wrapped Tesla Model X, showcasing his commitment to sustainability and innovative technology. Each vehicle in MrBeast's collection blends luxury, speed, and innovation, reflecting his larger-than-life persona and varied interests. So, what did you think of our list? Who has the best car collection? Let us know down in the comments section. And as always, hit that like button, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications so you always ride shotgun on all of our car adventures.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Catch you on the next video.